Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to get more viewers in your Twitch account. In order to get viewers in your Twitch account, you can follow the steps. So I'm gonna list out some of the tips and tricks that can help you improve your viewer on your Twitch account. So as you can see here, the article is listed in order to get a more viewer on Twitch. You could first of all complete your profile. Now this includes adding a bio descriptions, adding a profile and all that. Next thing, apart from it, you could also choose the right game. Now selecting the right game is crucial. While popular Twitch game might have a large viewer base, they also come with intense competitions. You could look at the game like Valorant or League of Legends, all that. And apart from it, you could also go ahead and set a customizable schedule. That is, you could also go ahead and set a consistent schedule. Now, consistency is key when building an audience. So you could go ahead and read out that. You could also publish in social media or share it on different platforms. You could also engage with the chats and followers as well. You create a welcoming environment, all that. So these are some of the tricks and tips in order to gain viewer in your Twitch account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.